Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? This is the latest update of Bittorrent. What's the today news and what's the price prediction? What's the technical analysis? Everything we discuss in this video. But kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more this type of videos. And yes, the giveaway of BTT is also coming soon, so you need to participate. Just in only complete 10,000 subscriber. Thank you so much, my brother. As you can see, first of all, I'm going to show you the latest update, the big latest update. I already check out Twitter and Google, not available, but this time you can see here the chain occur. Just in only, my brother, you can see here I will update you the price, the chain occur, and the rank. You can see here, my brother, the last 1 hour chain occur and the price. You can see here plus 1.07% the price is increased now. In the 7 days, in the last 1 day, 12.14%, and the last 7 days you can see 3.02%. So it's mean to there this coin is completely in the profit now. You can see the rank as 49 and the price is 0.004356 USD dollar. So it's mean to this coin will make you millionaire, and the price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute. So as you can see here, my brother, I already opened the last 7 day chart, and this chart is completely, my brother, you could see here show you to upcoming time there is a chance they will move upward or not, especially in the start of month, especially May 28 to May 29. You can see here, my brother, they falls down. You know why they falls down? Because in the start, in the end of month, every cryptocurrency just falls down. So therefore, especially because short time investors is starting selling. So if you are starting selling, then exactly they falls down. So my brother, you can see they completely go on very slowly, but it's mean you can see here they cannot hit the resistance line. So it's mean to this coin is in the profit, my brother. So BTT holder, please try to understand to upcoming time there's more chances, not just, my brother, more chances to upcoming time they will move in the moon. They will give you a good profit. So thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel and hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time.